This is Ivy, and we're going into Dollar Tree. This is a new Dollar Tree, guys, out where my son play football out. So let's go ahead and see. I don't know how the coupons work though, but let's see what we can get. Oh, they got the premium protein stuff, powder. Ain't that something? The drinks. These expensive. And here's a strawberry. I think I said I wanted some. I think I grabbed my son some for football. 4 of them. Yeah, I grabbed him 5 for football. And then they got these energy drinks. Bang Body Fuel. Hold on. I might grab a couple of these too. I'm gonna grab a couple of those. Okay. There. Okay, they got a whole hand sanitizing section. Look at this. Wow. Okay. Oh, look. This is the one I will buy right here. Okay. This is, okay, guys. So far, I like it. Oh, look. This is expensive waters in here. Life water. Oh, my goodness. I'm surprised this is in here. So, see, now I'm picking up stuff that, when we get to coupon and stuff, guys, I'll let you know. But so far, I'm not gotten to any. I'll be glad when they bring coupons back out for that. Okay. We do have water coupons for the Nestle. Look at all this water. Look at all of this water. Guys, y'all remember we used to have coupons for these right here? They don't give it to us anymore, but you can write them or call them or email and ask for coupons. I get a lot of coupons that way. If you guys want me to start dropping email sites to email and get coupons from, I will. Let me know in the comments. Now they got a whole phone accessory department. Wow. Oh, okay. Now I needed one of these. I think I bought one already. Here. Look. The whole phone accessories. Now this is a lot. But I can tell you some of it that didn't work for me. Right here. Well, they got all their cleaning products too, but it is not as big as mine. I hate that I didn't get to mine, guys. I like the one I go to. So let's go down the household aisle. This is for body washes, personal items. Let's see. What did they do about this? Oh, let's see. Let's see. Now, I did tell you all that the Dove soap worked. So that might work again. I'm gonna at least try it. Okay. Okay, so I don't see any Dove soap. Nope. Okay, this is the bread, guys. They don't have none. Make sure I go to my own store next time. They got the brown berry. They usually have a box and don't. This Allie's, and they got one of these. So I take it they might have got theirs really, really early and went on here and went through it quickly. Because look, they got a box of those, which they usually have them for 50% off. That's what they usually do. They did not have any Dove, guys. I did not see any. Wow. Oh, but here they go. They are carrying these. The Airwicks. You know what? Oh, yes. It worked in that one store. It worked in the one store I went to. That one worked. So, but I didn't bring them with me. Oh, that really upsets me. Okay, so if you got a coupon for these do work. This little small one, it works. And then here is one right here. Vanilla and pink papaya. Oh, look. What? They got fans. Little mini fans. Okay, they got these. These and those. Oh, they got bowls. They got ceramic stuff in here. Let's see. Yeah, I like those. Oh my goodness. Okay, they have these right here. The little man, he back with this. Okay. Is this new? I like that too. That's new. Today is full of possibilities. I like that one too. Okay. A food aisle. Let's see. Okay. They got Goya stuff, but you need to be at beans and that. So, okay, they have more of the alleys. Oh, here, there we go. And they got the cinnamon raisin bagel. This is so good. I'm just addicted to it now. Oh, marinade. Oh wow. Okay. Okay, guys. So I have this is the new one, and this is buy three save $1. So we're gonna grab three of these, and more than likely it's gonna be the Fruit Loops. Okay. So I kind of get the one on the picture so they won't say too much about it. All right. So we're gonna grab three of those. And three. Okay. Oh, and there's my iced tea. I got two of those. So I'm going to grab two of these because I have two iced teas coupons. They 40 cents a piece. So I'm going to pay 60 cents for them. I do have those coupons. So let's see if those will work. Okay, I got the Old Orchard juices. So they are two for $1. Buy two, get $1 off. So I'm going to grab four because I have two coupons. Okay. Right here. Okay, guys. Ooh. Lord, I better quit doing that, y'all. Y'all just tell me to quit lifting up heavy stuff because I can't carry. But I just saw some, guys. We're getting ready to get us some cereal. Oh, my goodness. And I'm picking this back up because I don't want nobody talking crazy to me. Let's go. Look, guys, I know what I wish I should have gained. $1 for the big boxes again. Generals. Okay, and I don't have that, but I'm going to grab these right here. 2 boxes. I got one General Milk coupon. I'll show it to you in a minute. So, okay. So here's some more right here. What is this one? Family size Lucky Frosted Flakes. Oh, those are Frosted Flakes. I think I'm going to grab them. So, even if I don't have a coupon, I got one coupon. One. And the girl told me they do take expired coupons up to 2 weeks. So I'm going to grab those, okay? I don't have anything over here. This store might turn out to be a good one after all. Hey guys, I should have brought my coupons. Guess what? I have someone in here that she shop coupons too. She said when you see these and it have and you got a coupon for it, it'll take off of it. She said that she always buy them. And that they cleaned the Dove out the first day the coupon. If they got hold to those coupons, they cleaned them out already for the Dove soap. But you guys already know that worked because I did show you that they worked because I bought it, okay? So go try those. That's what you do. Oh, suave. Let me see. This, you know, is a Dollar Tree. I mean, Family Dollar. So you already know Family Dollar and Dollar Tree are joining in together, right? Okay. And, oh, there's the palm. And that's the detox palms. Let's see what else is over here. That's it. This aqua says it's 3.0 ounces right there. See this coupon? I'm gonna see if it works. Hey, if it don't, all she can say is it don't work. Okay, so this might be a store next week. I will definitely bring it back some more. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go check out. You know, I'll come on and let you know which coupons I'll be using now. Since she said to use that coupon, okay, so I'm using this one. This one, it's expired, but she said use it, it works. And these, okay, and we hit the jackpot for these right here. And this, these Life Waters, these Premier Protein Shakes, and these Bangs. Okay, guys, I am back from Dollar Tree. Fantastic. I went to this nice Dollar Tree. It wasn't really new. It was old. They didn't have my bread, as you can see, but expired coupons worked, and the girl and the cashier was so friendly. She was like, oh yeah, we take expired coupon. That we always have big cereal. What? I'll be back. My son goes to football practice about 40 minutes away from the house. So I stopped at that Dollar Tree. Expired coupons worked on this. No beep. This was just the Life water I was showing. Like, I pay $1.99 for this. I'm kind of pissed off from that. Coupons worked on this, and the 3 off $1 coupon worked on these. Oh look, and that Aquafresh coupon worked, but it got to be this one. So thank God for the lady that was in the store and having great cashiers. Guys, go if you can find them. So you guys know, let's start looking for these right here. Start looking for the Minion cereal. Remember, before that it was the Minion cookies. And look for these, because remember I couldn't find those. And if you get the Aquafresh 75% off, it has to be this one right here. Thanks guys for tuning in. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't much to really buy at that Dollar Tree, but it's a new one. I like to try different ones. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share this channel. Bye.